Yes. Any doubt from yesterday topic? Any doubt from yesterday topic?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you some question related from the yesterday topic. What are that? What are the main function of the tissue? General function of connective tissue. Tell me one by one. Yes.
Connective tissue act in binding and packing of internal organ of the body.
Right. Second.
Connective tissue are loosely spaced and
Yes.
connective
Speak loudly.
connective tissue are loosely packed and embedded in intercellular matrix.
It's okay. That is not function. Listen me. Now the next I am taking types of connective tissue. How many types of connective tissue?
Skeleton.
3 types of connective: skeletal tissue, muscular tissue,
Skeleton.
connective tissue, connective proper tissue.
Connective tissue proper, skeletal connective tissue or vascular connective
Vascular
tissue.
tissue.
Yes, give me example of the skeletal connective tissue. Yes.
Nose. Ear.
I am
Larynx.
asking you skeletal connective tissue example. Types of skeletal connective tissue. Types of skeletal.
Cartilage and bone. Cartilage and
Right,
bone.
right. Cartilage and bone. Okay. Where? What is the function of bone? What is the function of bone?
Give support. Give support to the internal organ.
Or from framework of the body. Okay. Okay, you have no doubt. Now today I'm taking topic next tissue, that is a muscular tissue. Please mute your mic. Listen me. The today topic is a muscular tissue. Listen me. First point, muscular tissue is consist of long elongated cylindrical cell. Again I am repeating. Muscular tissue consists of long cylindrical cell called muscles fiber. What is that? Long cylindrical cell called muscles fiber. Listen me. This muscular tissue help in movement of different body parts. Muscular tissue is helping movement of different body parts. Now next point. In muscular tissue, special contractile protein is present. What is present, beta? In muscular tissue, special contractile protein is present. And that due to this contractile protein, muscles are contract and relax and help in the movement. Okay? Why the muscles help in movement? Muscles fibers are help in movement because in which special contractile protein is present. Contractile protein help in contraction and relaxation. Okay? Each up. Now listen me. The muscle fibers, muscular tissue divide in the 3 types. What are that? Muscular tissue divided 3 types. First is called the skeletal muscles. Second is called smooth muscles, beta. And third, cardiac muscles. What is that? First, skeletal muscles. Second is called the smooth muscles. And third is called cardiac muscles. Please apna video off karo. Listen me. Again, first of all, I am taking skeletal muscles. Listen me. Skeletal muscles are long. First point, skeletal muscles long. अपना वीडियो ऑफ करो, आपकी फोटो मेरी स्क्रीन पे आ रही है. Skeletal muscles long, cylindrical, multinucleate. Again, I am taking first point. Long, cylindrical, multinucleate. Okay. Second point, unbranched. Second point, unbranched. Third point, in muscles, many contractile fibers are present. In muscles, many contractile fibers present called myofibril. What is the name? Myofibril beta. In muscles, many contractile fibers are present. That is called the myofibril. What is the name? Myofibril. Listen to me. Next point, the outer layer of muscles is called the sarcolemma. What is the name of outer layer of muscle? Muscle is surrounded by the outer layer that is called the sarcolemma. In a muscle, beta, liquid is present, cytoplasm is present. But inside the muscles, cytoplasm is present. Cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm. What is the name? Sarcoplasm. Okay. And the outside membrane is called the sarcolemma. Listen me. Skeletal muscles is also called the voluntary muscles. What is the name? Voluntary muscles. Why? Because that muscles work is controlled by our will. It is also called voluntary muscles. Any second name is voluntary muscles because this muscles work is controlled by our will. Okay. Now the second, in skeletal muscles, light and dark, video off karo apni. In skeletal muscles, light and dark bands are present. In skeletal muscles, light and dark band present. That's why these muscles are also called striated muscles. What is the name of that muscles? In these muscles, light and dark band present. That's why muscles is called the striated muscles. Okay. Now, listen me. In these muscles, many nuclei are present. And the one more important point, what is that? The skeletal muscles attach with the bone, help in the movement. What is the main function? Skeletal muscles attach with the bone, beta. Are you getting my point, beta? Skeletal muscles attach with the bone and help in the movement. Okay, that's why it is also called the skeletal muscles. Yes, up. What is the functions that muscles or where the skeletal muscles is present? What are the name of the skeletal muscles? First, voluntary muscles. Second, skeletal muscles. Third, striated muscles. Where it is found? It is found in the limbs. Limbs, you know, beta? Hands and leg. Where it is present? In limbs. Limbs means hands and leg, beta. Or tongue. You know the tongue is move. Why? Because skeletal muscles is present. Pharynx. Where it is present? Pharynx, tongues, body wall, limbs. Okay. Now, if you have any, or now the one more important thing, these muscles contract rapidly. And these muscles contract rapidly for short time and fatigue and undergo for fatigue. Undergo for fatigue means agar continuously when we are doing the exercise, continuously running, after some time we fall down. Why? Because the muscles is contract, suddenly contract, fatigue, because the muscles is fatigue. So these muscles are fatigue, yani contract rapidly, तेजी से contract करती है, but for short time after that these muscles are fatigue. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes. Yes, beta. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, when it is present. Ma'am, where present?
Where it is present? Smooth, skeletal muscles present in tongue, limbs. Limbs means hand or leg. It present in the limbs, yani hands or leg. Pharynx. Pharynx is a part of in a food pipe. The buccal cavity is open in the pharynx, and जो windpipe है, that in which also the pharynx part is there. That the common path in food pipe and windpipe. तो pharynx में present है, tongue में present है, limbs में, body wall, all voluntary organ that work is controlled by our will. That muscles is present. Yes. Any doubt, you can ask me question.
Ma'am, please repeat its function.
These muscles help in movement. It present in the limbs. So that muscles help in the movement. The main function is it help in the movement. What is the function? It help in the movement. Okay.
Ma'am, skeletal muscles are also called.
Skeletal muscles are, beta abhi nahi bataya tha, skeletal muscles are also called voluntary muscles or striated muscles because the light and dark band are present. That's why it is also called the striated muscles. Many names, three names are there. Skeletal because it attach with the bone and help in the movement. Second, these muscles work controlled by our will. That's why it is called the voluntary muscles. Third, in which light and dark band present. That's why it is called the striated muscles. Yes, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am taking the next type of muscles. The second is called the smooth muscles. Second type of muscular tissue. Second type is smooth muscles. Listen me. Smooth muscles are short in size, spindle shaped. First point. Short in size, spindle shaped, and pointed end. Next point. Short in size, spindle shaped, and tapering end. Tapering yani at the end point, pointed. Tapering end का मतलब pointed ends are present. Please अपना video off करो. Pointed ends are present. Again I am taking, listen carefully. What is that? Smooth muscles, short size, spindle shaped. End. Okay. Now the next, that muscles is also spindle shape. It is unbranched. Or the skeletal muscles is also unbranched or uninucleate. This is uninucleate. But skeletal muscles is multinucleate. And smooth muscles is uninucleate. In smooth muscles, the outer wall of the smooth muscles is made up of plasma membrane, or in skeletal muscles made up of sarcolemma. Okay, but here the outer layer of muscles, smooth muscles outer layer is made up of plasma membrane, and cytoplasm is called the sarcoplasm. One nucleus present, that's why it is called the. And the next point, in which light and dark band absent, beta. In which light and dark band absent. So that's why it is called unstriated muscles. What is the name? Because the light and dark band absent, beta, in which. That's why it is called the unstriated muscles. Next name, these muscles are called the involuntary muscles. Why? Because these muscles work is not controlled by our will. Smooth muscles is also called involuntary muscles. Why? Because these muscles work is not controlled by our will. That's why it is also called the involuntary muscles. Next name. These muscles are not attached with the bone. Smooth muscles are not attached with the bone. That's why it is also called the unskeletal muscles. What is that? Unskeletal muscles. Okay. And where these muscles are present? Smooth muscles are present in visceral organ. What is a visceral organ? For example, stomach. For example, intestine. Internal organ, our internal organ, visceral organ, stomach, intestine. It is present in stomach, intestine, in our visceral organ. And that work is not controlled by our will. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me question. One more important thing. What is that? These muscles contract slowly. These muscles contract slowly for long time and non-fatigue. More important work. These muscles contract slowly for more time. These muscles contract slowly for long time or non-fatigue. These muscles are non-fatigue, means working continuously. The work is not stopped. But In skeletal muscles, rapid contraction is there, but after some time fatigue, यानी work stop हो जाता है और वर्क करना बंद कर देती है. But the smooth muscles are non-fatigue. अब now video बंद करो. Smooth muscles are non-fatigue. Clear? And for working continuously, non-fatigue and working for long time. Yes. Any doubt? You can ask me question.
Ma'am, where smooth muscles are present?
Smooth muscles are present in the uterus, in visceral organ, for example, stomach, intestine, uterus. That muscles are help in peristaltic movement. I already inform you peristaltic movement. What is a peristaltic movement? So that muscles cause the peristaltic movement. You know what is a peristaltic movement? In stomach, when the food comes, the contraction and relaxation take place. That movement is called the peristaltic movement. Again, when the food come in the esophagus, means in food pipe, the food pipe or esophagus contracts and relax. That is called the peristaltic movement. So which muscles are responsible for the peristaltic movement? Beta, smooth muscles are responsible. Peristaltic movement means contraction and relaxation in the stomach or in esophagus, or because by which our food move in the alimentary canal. Okay, so where the smooth muscles is present, it is present in the stomach, in intestine. It is also present in the uterus. It is also present in eyes. Okay, genital duct. It is also present in. Yes. Any doubt? You can ask me question. Any doubt, beta? You can ask me question.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am taking beta
No, ma'am.
cardiac muscle. What is that? Cardiac
Cardiac.
muscles. Where the cardiac muscles is present, beta? Anybody else give me answer? Where cardiac muscles is present? Cardiac muscles is present.
Heart muscles.
Listen me. Cardiac muscles are cylindrical, beta. Branched. Main characteristics. Cardiac muscles present in the heart. Next, cardiac muscles cylindrical. Cardiac muscles branched. Cardiac muscles uninucleate. And the main other characteristics of the cardiac muscles, in cardiac muscles, light and dark band present, just like a straighted muscles, in which also light and dark band present. Next point, cardiac muscles have the ability to contract, rhythmic contraction and relaxation ability is present. What is that? In cardiac muscle, rhythmic contraction and relaxation ability present, due to which the blood pumped by heart. Due to this contraction and relaxation, आप listen me, अपना mic off करो, आवाज आ रही है, mic को mute करो. Next point, cardiac muscles are and flat and zigzag. Cardiac muscles and flat and zigzag called intercalated disc. Called intercalated disc. Zigzag and of cardiac muscles is zigzag. Zigzag means that type. So this is called the intercalated disc. What is the name? Intercalated disc. And the main important things of the cardiac muscles show the rhythmic contraction and relaxation. By the rhythmic contraction and relaxation, blood pumped by heart. Okay. Now, again, I am going to repeat. Listen me carefully. Cardiac muscles present in heart. Second point, cardiac muscles are cylindrical, branched. Next, cardiac muscles uninucleate. Next, cardiac muscles light and dark band present. Okay. Next, cardiac muscles. In cardiac muscles, rhythmic contraction and relaxation ability present, by which blood pump. Due to this ability, heart pump blood in different part of the body. Okay. Cardiac muscles end points are zigzag. That is called the intercalated disc. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. And
No, ma'am.
non-fatigue.
No,
One important
ma'am.
point: cardiac muscles are non-fatigue. You know about the fatigue meanings? Fatigue means suddenly work रोक देना. So cardiac muscles are non-fatigue, continuously do work. And आपकी smooth muscles is non-fatigue. But आपकी skeletal muscles is fatigue. That has been the movement of the legs. Okay. Now I am taking with the help of the diagram. I'm going to explain. It can. Look here. Is diagram visible? Yes. All diagrams are visible, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
This one is called this. This is the pen. Look, the pink pen is here. Yes. This is the skeletal muscles. I already explained you. Skeletal muscles is also called the striated muscles. Why? Light and dark band are present. This is a dark band, light band, dark band, light band. And the outer membrane is called the sarcolemma. Yes. Clearly visible, na beta? Outer membrane is called the sarcolemma. And the liquid is present. Cytoplasm is called the nucleus is present. It is multinucleate. Okay. Also called the striated muscles. Yes. And also called voluntary muscles. And also called skeletal muscles. Now the second muscles I am taking here. Second diagram is here. Visible beta. This is
Yes, ma'am.
smooth muscles.
Yes, clear.
Now visible. I will send diagram also on WhatsApp today. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
spindle shaped smooth muscle, also called unskeletal muscles, involuntary muscles. Outer wall is called the plasma membrane. Cytoplasm is called the sarcolemma beta. And myofibril. Many fibrils are present. These are called the myofibril. Yes. And this is uninucleate. Okay. Now I am taking the next. This is the cardiac muscles. This is visible or not?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is cardiac muscles.
No, ma'am.
Now it is visible. Pen is here, pink color. This muscles is a cardiac muscles. Now I think visible. Yeah. Cardiac muscles, multinucleate, branched, many nuclei are present. Light and dark bands are present. Dark band, light band, dark band, and thick tip or eject band is present. That is called the intercalated disc. Intercalated disc are there. This is the intercalated disc. Okay, this is called the intercalated disc. Present in which? Okay, cardiac muscles. Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, beta, you can ask me question. If you have any doubt, beta, you can ask me question. Any doubt, ask me question, beta.
No, ma'am.
Today topic is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Again,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, again, I will upload my video on WhatsApp. So please go through and make a notes. Okay. Tomorrow again we will. Tomorrow is Tuesday is Wednesday now. Tomorrow Thursday. So again on Monday we will meet. Okay. Till Monday. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.